Morning, you guys. Today's weigh-in day. Okay, so since I have decided to start this journey of 40 pounds in the new year, I have been off of my previous plan and just eating well and tracking within the Healthy app. And Healthy is spelled Healthy. Healthy is an app, if you're unfamiliar or if you're new to my page here. Healthy is an app where you can keep track of all of your macros, your calories, your macros, everything. And also keep track with the point system through Weight Watchers. You can choose which Weight Watchers plan you want to do. I am tracking my macros and at the same time, just since the app has it available, tracking my points. And with all of that, today's January 11th, so we are 11 days in. I have officially had a weight loss. Interesting, right? Okay, so here's how I'm doing this. I am having 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Hold on, my camera is shaking. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then I'm having one healthy snack. The healthy snack could be anything from a small apple, but I'm pairing it with something. I'm pairing it with a protein because I think that's important. Because an apple, let's say, would have carbohydrate, right? The fast kind, because an apple has sugar, but natural. That's the key. You pair it with a protein and it slows your insulin response. So with an apple, I may have a light cheese stick. I may have a little bit of peanut butter, or even a slice of deli meat. Like let me just look at my nav here. I might have 1 or 2 slices of turkey. That's how I've been doing it. Sorry. That's how I've been doing it. And it's obviously working. I feel satisfied. I feel energized. I don't get that slump. I don't crave things at night. But I'm not doing that every 2 to 3 hours. I'm just eating like a normal portion 3 times a day and a snack. Sometimes I don't have the snack. Sometimes I don't have a full portion of dinner. Sometimes I wake up and I'm not hungry for breakfast. It's so interesting how listening to your body works. It's never really worked for me before, but I don't know. I guess because of the new year and things that I'm working toward, it all plays a part in the thinking, because being on a weight loss program, whether it be, this is bumpy. I'm sorry if the camera's wiggling. Being on any kind of weight loss program, whether it be something you do yourself or if you're following one, it's stressful on the body. It's not an easy thing to do because you are in a calorie deficit. Regardless, you have to be in a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. And that's why, so many plans do work, because they put you in a calorie deficit. It really has nothing to do with the plan per se, more than your ability to stick to it. That's the hard part, right? The hard part is sticking to it because we all fall into the boredom or just life happens. And I don't know. I just feel like the brain has the biggest part to play. You really have to be committed, and you have to understand that weight loss for some people can be slow, and that's okay. As long as it continues to go down, it's okay. That's what I'm trying to keep inside my head, because I'm used to the fast weight loss, but the fast weight loss lately wasn't working for me. So I chose to go this route. Whatever that means it is, but I have a goal, right? 40 pounds. So anyway, I want to get into the weight loss this week. And so in typical Lori style, we are going to do the drum roll. Ready? Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I am down 2.5 pounds in the last 11 days. Now, please don't come at me. I know it's not an exorbitant, I know it's not a huge chunk of weight, but I'll take the 2.5. That I will take. That puts me at 37.5 pounds now left to lose. I think I could do this. In fact, I know I can. And I also, one thing I do want to say is I've been very, very motivated to stop with the I think I can do this, I hope I can do this kind of mentality, to where I'm saying to myself, I'm going to do this. I am going to do this. The weight is coming off. The weight will come off. That switch in mentality, I feel like, is really helping me. I'm putting it out there. The weight's coming off. It's just going to come off by May 27th. That's my deadline for this weight to come off. Now, some of you may say to yourself, well, what happens if it doesn't? If the weight doesn't come off by May 27th, that I'm hoping it does, then I just keep going. I keep going. I will never stop. I will never quit. I am going to reach my goal. That's what's going to happen. So while I have that date in mind, and I know I'm going to get there, for whatever reason happens, if I'm not, then I just keep going. I want to stay positive mindset, manifesting, meditating on what I want, what I expect of myself to do. And that's what's happening. We had a nice new year, and the new job is going very well. It's been a little bit busy, thankfully. So it makes filming for you during the week on YouTube a little challenging. So what I have started to do is put some recipes and things that I'm eating on my Instagram page, because I can do that 1, 2, 3, as opposed to filming on YouTube and editing and all of those things. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, and I know some of you have expressed that people don't have all social media platforms, I can't do anything, in the way of making you get them, but I am heavily on Instagram with recipes and things that I'm eating during the week. And then on the weekends is probably when I'll get most of my videos up, because I can film a little bit each day during the week and then put a nice video out for you on the weekend. If things change and I have more ability to do editing and things during the week, then a video will come out. But please check out Instagram, guys. It's free, and it is a wealth of information. I mean, I really get a lot out of Instagram, sometimes more than YouTube, believe it or not. But, again, that's your choice. So follow me there. Definitely hit my Facebook group, Keeping It Healthy with Feliciannurse. Those two titles and follow me's will be in the description box below this video. I'm heading out to a meeting today, and then I have a bunch of little meetings in between, meeting somebody at Panera at lunchtime. So I may get the, what's that salad called? The Green Goddess chicken salad. That is my all-time favorite. For dinner tonight, we are having fish, so I'm going to be eating light later, because that salad from Panera is filling. I don't know if you've ever had it, but it has eggs and bacon and chicken, and the Green Goddess dressing is just my absolute favorite. And it's low carb, and I don't believe there's any sugar in it, so it will fit within my day. See you over the weekend with some new videos, some recipes, show you what I'm eating. I actually have some good recipes coming up, some crock pot things, and I've been doing a lot of research on, you know, healthy recipes in order to lose weight, especially during that menopause era, perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. That chunk of time is the hardest to lose weight. And I know because I see who follows me, and I can see the age group, I can see the demographic, and the majority of you are in that perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause age range. So I'm here to help you. And believe it or not, you guys help me. The messages you send, thank you. They do help me. You guys don't even realize. You always say to me that I'm motivating and, you know, encouraging and things, and you're always thanking me. But I would like to thank you, because sometimes I'm having a moment and my phone goes ding, and I look and it's a message from one of you. It's a comment, it's a something, and you truly brighten my day. So I just want to thank you for that. I love you all, and remember, we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together, me and you and me, we're doing it. 2023 is our year. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.